Yo, what is up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to appeal a FUNDBOX application denial. If FUNDBOX denied your application, don't panic. You may still have options. So let's go over what you need to do next. First step is to review the denial message. FUNDBOX often includes a general reason for denial, such as low revenue, insufficient history, or incomplete data. Start by understanding why. Step 2 is to contact support. Now reach out to support@fundbox.com, or you can go through the help center and ask if there's a way to appeal or to reapply. Some cases just need missing data or clarification. Step 3, update and strengthen your profile. If low cash flow or data quality causes rejection, then you can just connect your bank and accounting softwares. Likewise, ensure active recent transactions, and of course you want to confirm all business and identity documents that are all accurate and uploaded correctly. Step 4, wait and reapply. Now, most reapplications are allowed after 30 to 90 days, depending of course on the issue. You want to use this time to improve your eligibility. Step 5, consider alternatives. Now, while waiting, you want to look into other business credit options. Some lenders have different requirements, so don't pause your funding journey. FUNDBOX rejection isn't the end. Learn from it, improve your standing, and come back stronger. Many applicants get approved on their second try. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.